Hello everyone, welcome to English Elegance. So today we will talk about how to improve your English vocabulary. So I will be giving you 6 tips with which you can improve your vocabulary at a certain extent. So let's get started. The very first is learn while reading. So whenever you are reading any content, it can be any book, so you have to focus on learning. Like whatever you are reading, you should know the words, you should know the meaning of the word. Learn in the sense you should know everything about the word in a 360-degree approach. You should know the meaning of the word, you should know the pronunciation of the word, you should know the what is the synonym, what is the antonym, and you have to frame a sentence out of that word. So you have to learn while reading. Now coming to the second is word repetition. So whenever you are reading the book, you have to keep on repeating the words, because I already told you that repetition is the key to learn the vocabulary and to improve as well. So just think that if you learn 4 to 5 words on a regular basis, daily you learn just 4 to 5 words. So after a year, you will be having 1500 words in your vocabulary notebook. एक साल बाद आपकी वोकैबुलरी कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच जाएगी, राइट? सो दिस यू हैव टू डू द वर्ड रिपीटिशन. देन मूविंग टू द थर्ड इज keep a dictionary handy. So even if you are quite good in English, then also keep a dictionary app in your phone, or else you can keep a small pocket dictionary with yourself, because whenever you come across any new word, अगर कोई भी आप content पढ़ रहे हो, any new book, कोई भी ऐसा new word है जिसका meaning हमको नहीं पता है, तो that will be good for you if you are having a small dictionary with you handy. So you can search the word and you can know the exact usage and context of the word. Then moving to the fourth is play around. So there are many games through which you can improve your vocabulary. So the games are like Boggle, Scrabble, crossword puzzles. So you can just play with them. Just download the game in your phone and you can improve your vocabulary. You can just play around whenever you are sitting or you are traveling somewhere. You can just play around and you can learn new words. So this is the mantra over here. खेलते जाओ and सीखते जाओ is the mantra. Now moving to the fifth one, write it up. So whatever you are reading, just write the words. Like when you want to just build your muscles, you do the arms exercise to strengthen your muscles. So in the same way, you have to write down the words and automatically your vocabulary and your English will strengthen. And you can also write down a daily journal, like whatever you did in your whole day. So you can write it down. आप उसको mention कर सकते हो by writing it down. आप रोज नाइट में whenever you are going to your bed, आप उसको try करो. एक आप journal को note down करो. It will develop a habit of writing as well. Now moving to the sixth one, use WhatsApp. All of us use WhatsApp, but we can use it productively as well. So you can make a WhatsApp group with your friends, in which what you can do, everyone will share a new word each day, and जो others होंगे, they have to make a sentence of that word. Like what is the meaning of that word, they will find it out, and everyone will post their own sentences, framing their own sentences. So you can name the group like word of the day. So evening तक maybe आपको वो word याद हो जाएंगे. So that will be beneficial for you as well as for your friends also, to improve your vocabulary. So this was all about the 6 tips which you can do to improve your daily vocabulary. And by the time, keep learning with English elegance.